we arrived at Barra de Navidad. And over there on the green boat, green bottom boat, is where our friend Tracy is at. And then one over is where Kelly and Dennis is at. So we are with our people. Beautiful resort that we're about ready to go explore. It's a very tight marina. We had a hard time getting in, but all is well, as usual. See you soon. So, on the other side of here is the pool, but there's pool chairs and a couple of hammocks hung up between the trees. So, perfect place for siesta, and then maybe a sunset, wine, sitting underneath the palm trees. I'm telling you, so many things to do and explore here. Most of it relaxing. Join me at the pool. Although it does involve stairs. Go figure, gym and stairs. There'll be more footage later, but behind me, there are two slides. It's kind of like a lazy river, and you are definitely gonna go under. So I'm gonna need my waterproof casing for that adventure. Here's some of the front side of those beautiful homes that we saw from the water. You can never tell by the front entrances what's behind the wall. But we got a little glimpse, that's pretty cool. And now we're walking to the port captain's office. We are on the Malecón right now, walking around town. And there is our hotel. Beautiful from here. And here's our little Malecón. On the other side of the wall is a beautiful beach. A sign. And the entrance to town. Dun, 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 dun. So we just toured the town of Barra de Navidad, and we're taking our water taxi to
will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night.
You want a chocolate croissant?
Yes, I would love a chocolate croissant.
A chocolate croissant. That's so good.
Okay, this looks amazing.
I know, right?
So you bring stuff right to the boats.
Yeah.
Channel 22, usually Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays.
Wow.
Okay, what else do you want, Jim?
I don't know. Get a couple things like a cinnamon roll and
Did?
Yep.
what are those things with the cheese in the middle?
Over here?
That is ham and cheese croissant.
Oh yeah, I'll take one of those.
One of those?
Yeah. And then what's this thing right here?
I got
those
some
things.
almonds. I don't know.
Like those. What's in those ones, right? Yeah.
Looks like berries.
Well, berries in that one and
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Oh yeah, one of those each.
One of those each. Okay.
Yeah.
More easy.
Yeah.
So
I should have done.
Wow, it's
Yeah,
amazing.
it's very cool.
Thank you.
Oh, he'll be back when you're back.
I know. I'm so excited.
I know. Breakfast.
Doesn't really matter to me. To me.
Where you go? Let me out! I knew you were gonna do
I'm sorry.
I'm looking over going,
I
don't
couldn't.
do that.
We came over with you.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Hola.
Hey, hola.
Hola.
There you go.
Got it. No.
We're here.
Got it.
We're here.
Here's our Uber.
Yes.
Or Uber.
All night long.
Best Uber in town.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
your light
Marina,
on.
por favor.
Okay, sure.